The really unique thing about this course is its course design. This course is designed for the counterstrainer. It is not a typical anatomy and dissection course, it's an applied anatomy experience that's going to give you the ability to actually visualize the anatomical structures that you treat every day, slackening, shortening, being approximated. And the difference in the clinical effectiveness that you're going to feel when you can do that, because you've seen it in the cadaver, it's really hard to put it into words until you experience it for yourself. When I'm mindlessly doing a glide or doing an approximation of some kind, I can tell the difference. I'm like, all right, I got to visualize the anatomy, visualize it moving back to where it came from. And that's really what this course is designed to do. You're going to know where these anatomical structures run, you're going to know where they came from, you're going to know where they're going, and you're actually going to be able to visualize it in your mind as you're doing the releases. So maybe you've never done a dissection before, and this is going to be a brand new, wonderful experience for you. Maybe you did dissections when you were in school, but you've been thinking for a long time now, man, knowing what I know now about the body, how amazing would it be to get back into the dissection lab and be able to go through all of these anatomical structures again. Maybe your experience in school was on an embalmed, preserved cadaver, or maybe it wasn't even a whole body, maybe you had pro-sections to study off of. So the fact that we're going to be working on fresh, untouched cadavers that you'll get to dissect from skin all the way down to the skeletal system is going to be a brand new experience for you in its own way. And maybe you've had a postgraduate dissection experience, but you felt like it was below your level of anatomical knowledge, and that your fellow dissectors didn't have the same goals as you as far as what you wanted to see, what you wanted to experience, and what you wanted to get out of that dissection. So this dissection course is really for the manual therapist who wants to improve the effectiveness of their manual techniques. So there's really two ways to dissect. The first is by following a set of instructions and seeing what anatomical structures you uncover along the way. The second is a more targeted approach. So you have a system or a series of structures in mind that you want to identify, that you want to see, and you dissect with a purpose to uncover those structures. Our plan is to implement both of those strategies over the 8-day dissection course so that you see everything that you want to see and get the amazing experience that you're looking for. My hope for you, if you choose to take this course, is really that in a year or 2 years you look back at this 8-day experience and really consider it a launching point or a pivotal point in your career where you took that next step in your skill development and your clinical application. I hope this course, and I think it will, make you all better counterstrainers.